I chopped the roof off the Suburbans. Try to be a nice guy, John Turgeon, till I started throwing up in your Birkin. Then I woke up in the morning, police showed up at my door with a warrant. I remember flushing something down the toilet. Guess you gotta let me off with the warning. Return of Mac. Feeling like an outcast, I'm the only guy in slacks that'll cost you 3 stacks. Now you saving that check, why you taking my swag? Can you give me that back? Gucci my Prada, Miyake, Louis Vuitton and Tommy. All of these things on my body, let's party. I'm about to pull out, hit switchboard curtains.